This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce the opacity of text in CapCut. First, open your CapCut project and locate the specific text layer you want to adjust. Make sure this text layer is selected in your timeline. You'll see it highlighted. Once selected, direct your attention to the top right panel of the CapCut interface. Here, you'll find various editing options, and we need to click on the Text tab to reveal the text-specific settings. This is our starting point for making any changes to your text's appearance. Now that you're in the Text tab, scroll down a bit until you spot the opacity slider. By default, your text will likely be at 100% opacity, meaning it's completely solid and fully visible. To make your text more transparent, simply click and drag this slider to the left. As you move it, you'll immediately see the text on your canvas becoming less visible. You can adjust it anywhere from 0%, which makes it completely invisible, up to 100%. As you adjust the opacity slider, keep a close eye on your preview window. CapCut provides real-time feedback, so you can instantly see how transparent your text becomes. Don't hesitate to experiment. Try setting it to around 50% for a semi-transparent look, or even 25% for a very subtle effect. Sometimes, when text is less opaque, adding a subtle background or another visual element can help maintain readability while still achieving that desired soft appearance. Play around until it looks just right for your video. After you've fine-tuned the opacity of your text to perfection, take a moment to review your entire video project. It's a good practice to watch through everything to ensure all text elements, not just the one you just edited, have the desired level of transparency and consistency. Once you're completely satisfied with all your adjustments, you're ready to export your video. Choose your preferred resolution, like 1080 pixels, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, and share your creation with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.